down so low. Is this what I was meant to see? How was I to know? I don't know. Been fading for some time, but part of me is holding on, trying to let go. How are we still breathing? How are we still breathing? I'll show you what it feels like.